Hello, welcome to Learn Everything Online Foreign Language series. Today in chapter 1, we will learn how to greet and how to introduce ourselves to others along with a few basics of the vowel sounds. So let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome to the first chapter of Spanish. So in this chapter we will be learning greetings and vowels. So here are a few tips to continue throughout the course. Whenever I teach something, the word or the phrase will appear on the screen in English and a Spanish translation of the same will appear on the screen, followed by this symbol. Whenever this symbol appears on your screen, you have to repeat the Spanish translation of the same. Refrain from noting down everything. Focus on speaking correctly rather than noting down. Don't waste your time or don't distract yourself by noting down everything. I have provided all the resources for each chapter in the description of this video, so you do not have to worry about documenting your lessons. Follow along this course and you will ace the course before you know it. A little introduction about myself. I am Shivani Joshi and I'll be your instructor, guide and friend throughout this course. So without any delay, let's get started. So the first part of this course is greetings. That is, whenever we meet someone, we greet them. Hello, how are you? All those things are greetings. So how do we say them in Spanish? So the very first thing that we always say when we meet someone is hello. So the Spanish translation for hello is hola. Note here that the H is silent. So the pronunciation is hola, as in Ola cabs. Yeah, so that's it. Hola. Kindly repeat this. So hello is hola. Next, we generally introduce our name. So for that, we start by saying the word I am. So the word for I is yo. Now notice that the beginning of this word has a little touch of the sound of J. So it is not completely yo, it is yo. It is yo. So after saying I, we would say I am. So the word for am is soy. Soy. So to completely say it as I am, we say yo soy. Yo soy. Generally while speaking, we tend to ignore the word yo, and for the word I am, we simply say it as soy. So for introducing yourself, we would say I am Shivani. So that becomes soy Shivani. Soy Shivani. Now to complete the whole thing, we would say nice to meet you. It is considered good manners to say this in Spain or in any other language for that matter. So after introducing yourself, we would say nice to meet you. So the word for that is mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. Now the literal meaning of this word is mucho, meaning many or much, and gusto meaning pleasure. So the literal translation for this word is much pleasure. So if we are saying is it is a pleasure to meet you, or it is a lot of pleasure to meet you. So nice to meet you becomes mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. So to complete the whole thing, we would say hello, I am Shivani, nice to meet you. Now I would like you to try this on your own first. Translate it into Spanish and try saying the whole sentence in Spanish. So the translation is hola, soy Shivani, mucho gusto. Now there are two ways in which we can introduce ourselves, or we can tell our name. one is the one that we saw previously, that is I am Shivani, and the other one is by telling your name. So it is my name is. So the translation for that is मैं यामो. Now notice here that the double L has a sound of y, y. So it becomes मैं यामो. So while introducing, we can say hello, my name is Shivani as hola, me llamo Shivani. So the two ways of greeting anyone in Spanish are the first one that we saw, hola, soy Shivani, mucho gusto, meaning hello, I am Shivani, nice to meet you. And the second one, hola, me llamo Shivani, mucho gusto, meaning hello, my name is Shivani, nice to meet you. I'll take a pause for 5 seconds and you can try saying both of them. The second part of the video is vowels. Now we know that there are 5 vowels in English language: A, E, I, O and U. The sounds for these vowels in Spanish is a little different. For A, we have the sound as A, as in hola. So the ending A is stressed. So the sound of A is A. The sound for E is E, as in saber. The R is a stressed R, so saber. So the sound for E is E. The sound for I is E, as in adios, adios. So for the I we say as E. The sound for O is O. It is similar to what we say in English, just a little sharp tone. O, as in mucho, mucho. The sound for U is U. Again similar to English but a little stretched tone. U, as in gusto, gusto. So the sounds for the vowels are: for A, it is A. For E, it is E. For I, it is E. For O, it is O. For U, it is U. Now before ending, it is good manners to end it with a goodbye, isn't it? So the word bye in Spanish, as you might know, is adios. Now notice that the D doesn't have a sharp tone, as in dog. It does not have the sharp tone. The D is a little flat toned. Adios. So yeah, that's it for this lecture. And if you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comment section.
So I hope it was easy and you got the hang of it. So do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Tell me in the comment section how you liked the video, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.